Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Understanding Concepts. Today we are going to cover a topic that is subtraction. And today we will be using the ones complement method to subtract two numbers. Here, as you know, when we are going to subtract two numbers, then we may have two options. One, we are going to subtract a smaller number from the larger, and we can have also the option that we have to subtract the larger number from the smaller. So we will be having the two separate videos for both of the examples, and today we will be going to subtract a smaller number from the larger number using the ones complement method. So I am just going to take an example. Suppose we have to the subtract uh, a number 11 from 20, right? So we have to perform 20 minus 11. First of all, I will be converting these two numbers into the binary. So the binary conversion of 20 is equal to, as you know, it's 1 0 1 0 0, and the binary conversion of number 11 will be equal to 1 0 1 1. And now suppose we are going to subtract both of these numbers. So first of all, we will be subtracting these numbers by a simple subtraction method. We will be subtracting these two binary numbers. So how the subtraction will be done? We have to subtract this 1 from this 0. That means we have to take borrow from the next digit, and here you can see it's already 0, and we have to take the borrow from the next digit. So when we will be taking the borrow from this digit, this 1 will be 0, and after taking the borrow, this 0 will become 1 0. Now this 0 has to take borrow from this 1 0. That means after taking the borrow, this will be 1, and this 0 will be become 1 0. Now just start subtracting. 1 0 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. Again 0 minus 1. That means we will be taking borrow from the next digit, that is 0, and here it will be 1 0. 1 0 minus 1 will be equal to 1. So the you can see here the resultant we are getting is 1001, that is 9. So as we know that 20 minus 11 is equal to 9, we are doing it right. But the thing is, we have done this subtraction with a simple binary arithmetic, and taking the borrows from this and this is sometimes being confusing for us. So just to eliminate this problem of confusion, that we are taking the borrow from the next, then borrow from the next, and this one is becoming 0, how this 0 is becoming 1 0, sometimes if we are getting all these things very complicated, then to make this subtraction very simple, we will be using the ones complement method. That by using this ones complement method, we can make this subtraction very much easy. I am just taking the same example, and now I will be subtracting these two numbers using ones complement method. So the example is, we have to subtract 1010 from 10100. So I'm going to write here the 10100, and the second number is 1011. Now I have to subtract both of these numbers using a ones complement. So the very first rule of the this ones complement method is that when we are going to subtract two numbers, the number of digits should be same. So here you can see it's the 5 digits are there, and here 4. So to make these number of digits equal, I will be just adding here 0, so that both of these numbers now 5-digit numbers. And you know, adding a 0 on the very left side of a number is making no difference in the magnitude, so it's no worry about that. Now what is the step we have to take is we have to take the now to subtract two numbers using ones complement method. We have to take the ones complement of this number, ones complement. So the number that has to be subtracted from the other, we have to take the ones complement of that number. Now ones complement of this number will be one. In ones complement, what you do is just simply replace all the zeros with the ones and all the ones with the zeros. So the ones complement of this number will be equal to, this 0 will be replaced by 1, this 1 will be replaced by 0, this 0 will be replaced by 1, this 1 will be replaced by 0, this 1 will be replaced by 0. So this number is now 10100 is the ones complement of this number. Now what we have to do is in this ones complement of this number, we have to add this second number from which the number has to be subtracted. Now I will be writing this number here, the same number I will be writing here. So the number is 10100, right? Now what we have to do is we have to add both of these numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 10, so 0 will be here and 1 is the carry. 1 plus 0 will be equal to 1, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. So in the result you can see that here we are getting a carry. So if at the end we are getting the carry in the result, what we have to do is we have to add this carry in the result itself. We will be adding this carry into the result itself. So I am writing this result, that is 01000, and I have to add this carry. I am going to add this carry in the result itself here. So the addition will be equal to, here 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 0 1 0. So you can see here this is the final result, and this was the 1001, and here again you are getting the 1001, that is 9. So this is the method how you will be performing the subtraction using ones complement. What we have did is, first of all, the number which is to be subtracted, take the ones complement of that number, then add this ones complement to the number from which the number is to be subtracted, then add both of these numbers and add the result. If you are getting having the carry, you have to add this carry in the same result itself. So I'm just taking this result and the carry is being added over here, and here you will be getting the final result. And this was a very simple method of subtracting two binary numbers, and in my next video I will be describing how to subtract two binary numbers, that is the larger number from the smaller number, and that will be done by using the ones complement too. So just stay tuned with us, and if you have still not subscribed my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.